Dear students, today we will start the new unit number 3. Here, unit number 3. From the unit number 3, the first chapter, today we will start, that is the nerve physiology. BSc second year students, there is somewhat gap in our period due to the other important responsibility, environmental studies of BSc, BCom and BA third year students. So due to that environmental studies period, I was busy in that, and somewhat gap is in our periods. But two units are completed. We are going to properly to complete our syllabus. So 2 units from our syllabus is completed, the unit number first and unit number second. And today we will start the unit number 3, and in unit number 3 the chapter is the nerve physiology. Dear students, you know that in the unit number first there is the 3 chapters. In unit number 3 there are 3 chapters. First chapter is the digestion. Second chapter is the vitamins. Third chapter is the respiration. So that unit is big unit. There are 3 chapters which we have already completed. And in second chapter in second unit there are the 2 chapters. That name of that chapter is, first one is the excretion and second one is the cardiovascular system, which is also called as the blood circulatory system or circulatory system. So we have completed the 5 chapters in unit number first and second. Today we will start the unit number 3, first number chapter, that is the nerve physiology. And you know that wherever we are studying the chapter, new chapter, the title nerve physiology, we should first define what is the nerve physiology. We are studying the physiology. Name of the paper is the physiology. Number of paper is 6. Remember these things. In BSc second year, in semester 3rd, paper 6 from zoology, paper number 6, and name of the paper is the physiology. So here we will study today physiology. Physiology is the name of our paper. So what is the nerves and what is the physiology? These are the 2 things here. So you know that in our body there are different systems, like the digestive system which we are eating, consulting with the eating, digestive system. Respiratory system, we are taking oxygen inside the body and expelling outside carbon dioxide. Inspiration and expiration is called as the respiration. So respiratory system is in our body. Excretory system is in our body. Circulatory system is in our body. Like that, in the body there is the nerve system. So about that nerve system, physiological studies. That's why here given the nerve physiology. Physiology of the nerves. जर आपण चेता संस्था असं म्हणतो. In our body are having the one of the sense, that is the sense of touch, and organ of the sense of touch is the skin. And in the body, in the skin, under the skin, in complete body, there is the network of the nerves. So sense of touch, it gives the message to the brain with the help of the nerves. So very sensitive. In complete body, nerves are there. and physiological works of the nerves we have to study in this chapter. Here, nerve system in short form, in abbreviation, remember, abbreviation means the short form. Here, the abbreviation for the nerve system, that is the NS. NS means nerve system. Nerve system coordinates and integrates functions and metabolic activities and homeostatic activities of all organs is called as the nerve physiology. This is the definition of nerve physiology. I will again repeat, what do you mean by the nerve physiology? So nerve physiology means the nerve system coordinates and integrates their functions, metabolic activities and homeostatic activities of all organs. Try to understand. This is the definition. Short ideas about the introduction of this chapter. Now, the study of nerve system. The study of nerve system is the largest branch. Remember, the study of nerve system is the largest branch of physiology. Because in every organ, in every part of the body, up to the cell, in each tissue, to the smallest unit of the body, nerves connection is there. Nerves connection are there. So it is the largest branch of physiology. Nerve system is the largest branch of physiology. Now, this nerve system or the nerve physiology is also called as the neurophysiology. 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 You know the neurologist, the specialization in the field of doctor. Some doctors are the neurologist. Neurologist means they have done their specialization work in the nerve system, in the neurons, the cell of the nerve system, neurons. That's why neurologist. So, it is also called as the neurophysiology. The study of the nerve system, which is the largest branch of physiology, is also called as the neurophysiology. Nerve physiology is also called as the neurophysiology. Understand? Human nerve system. Human nerve system. You know, human is a mammal, belongs to the phylum Chordata and class Mammalia. So in mammals, here we are studying the physiology with special reference to the humans. So human nerve system consists of three main structures. Remember, human nervous system consists of three main structures. That three main structure is a ganglion, nerves and nerve net, which is very fine. Ganglion is a ball-like structures. Nerves, thread-like structures. And nerve nets means it is the networks of the fine nerves. So, human nerve system consists of the three main structures. One is the ganglion, second is the nerves, and third is the nerve net. In your examination, if examination is descriptive form, theoretical, you have to write this one by one. एक लिहायचं, त्याच्या खाली दुसरं लिहायचं, त्याच्या खाली तिसरं लिहायचं. 3 ओळीमध्ये 3 लिहायचे स्वतंत्र. Then we will study the structure of neuron. So I have already told you, neuron is the microscopic cell of the nerve system. That is called as the neuron. You know, the smallest unit of kidney is called as the nephron. Nephrologist, kidney specialist. Neurologist, brain and nerve system specialist. So, we will study here the structure of neuron. And remember about the neuron. Neuron is the structural and functional unit of nerve system. like a cell, our body cell. What is the cell? We have already studied the cell. Cell is the structural and functional unit of life. Here, neuron is the structural and functional unit of nervous system. Nervous system से तो एक structural and functional unit आहे. It is a microscopic. Neuron is a microscopic. ते आपल्याला डोळ्यांनी सहज दिसत नाही. कुठली cell except the largest cell, the egg of human beings, egg of birds. That is the example of the largest cell that we can see by our naked eyes. Other cells we cannot see. So, each and every cells are the microscopic structure and composed by the three major parts. Neuron is a microscopic. The structure and component of the neuron consists the three major parts. तीन पार्ट्स आहे. मेजर पार्ट्स म्हणजे मोठे पार्ट्स न्यूरॉन मध्ये कोणते आहे तर सेल बॉडी, डेंड्राइट्स अँड ॲक्सॉन. these are the three major components or major parts of the neuron. Now we will study the types of neurons. Remember, there are different types of the neurons, different types of the cells, different size of the cells, different shape of the cells. So here there are types of neurons, means there are different types of the neurons, and this different type of neuron is based on the presence of number of axon and dendrites. किती axon present आहे, किती dendrites present आहे. On the basis of this, the neurons are classified. Our neurons are typed in different types. So there are three types of the neurons. Remember, neurons are of three types. They are unipolar, bipolar, and multipolar. Uni means one, bi means two, and multipolar means many, numerous. So here, unipolar neurons means having only one axon and only one dendrites. Bipolar means having one axon and two dendrites. Multipolar means having one axon and many dendrites. So, neuron types are of three types on the basis of number of axon and dendrites. Neurons are classified in three types. One is unipolar neuron, second is the bipolar neuron, third is the multipolar neurons. So dear students, today what we have studied, what is today's our work? So today we have started the unit 3. From unit 3, chapter number 1. Name of this chapter is the neurophysiology. And in this nerve physiology or neurophysiology, we have studied the definition of neurophysiology, some introduction of the chapter. Then we have studied the structure of neurons. Then we have studied the types of neurons. So remember, try to understand. Third unit is started, nerve physiology is started. We have studied the structure of neuron and types of neuron. So after this period, you send your presentee, present sir, and your name. I will put your attendance in my register, attendance register. So don't forget to send the attendance. And attendance within 2 to 3 hours you have to send. हे ऑब्झर्व केलं, हा व्हिडिओ, हा यूट्यूब लेक्चर तुम्ही बघितलं की बघितल्यानंतर लगेच मेसेज पाठवायचं. कारण आता युनिट 3 आपण स्टार्ट केलेला आहे. पहिला चॅप्टर त्याच्यामध्ये सुरू केलेला आहे. त्या पहिल्या चॅप्टरचा पहिला पिरियड आज झालं. आता उद्या दुसरं होईल. मग दुसरे पिरियड झाल्यानंतर तुम्ही अटेंडन्स पाठवू शकत नाही. पाठवली तरी ते दुसरे पिरियडची होईल. सो बी सिन्सिअर, do hard work and take the care of your health also. When regular period will be start, the order will be issued, then I will send the message on WhatsApp. So for today it is sufficient. Thank you very much.